How to make portfolio website design with Canva app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a portfolio website design with Canva in less than 1 minute. So first thing you have to do, go to Canva app like this and it will take you to this home page. Now go down and click on this icon, this plus icon, and search for portfolio, and it will give you the option of portfolio website. Click on it, wait a few seconds until it takes you to this page, and you will find the portfolio website templates right here. Click on any of these, for example this one. Let's choose this one and click on the photos right here to change them by clicking on the replace. And if you want to change any text here, just click on it 2 times like this and it will be changed. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also you can download it from here.